guys, this is part 2 photo manipulation. In this video I used only 2 techniques. என்ன அந்த 2 techniques கேட்டிங்கனா, one is layer mask. What is layer mask? Just add the layer mask and select foreground color black, you can erase it, and white you can get it back. Something you did wrong, again swap the white color and get the area back. When you select the mask, however you fill the black, you can erase it. However you fill the white, you can revert it. That is mask. Second technique, content aware. What is content aware? In any image, you don't want any single spot. Just select the out of the spot. I mean you want some spaces left and right or top and bottom. Go to file menu, fill content aware. You can completely remove the spot. That is content aware. So this is the basic 2 techniques I used in this video, but various method. All the stock images are in the description. If you want, you can download it. Anyway, are you guys ready for photo manipulation or compositing? Let's get started. First, I don't want this part, so go to polygonal lasso tool and select the area. Then go to file menu, choose content aware, then give it OK. Now this area is gone. You don't worry about the bottom part, we will remove it by another way. Take clone stamp tool and hold Alt key and take source from the same image. Change the brush size bracket left and right. Again you can hold Alt key and take source from somewhere, then apply it. This time I want the edges more clear. Previously I used some soft brushes. Now I select somewhat hard brush. Again hold Alt key, take a source, then apply it. Still you have to work some retouch work. I change the opacity from 50 to 60. Then again I take a source, then apply it. Now center of the bulb area was removed. Now what I do is go to file, importing the water image. By Ctrl T you can change the size, you can reposition it, and then you can change the opacity and decide where you have to place the image. I really recommend the picture middle of the bulb is good. First roughly I remove the out of the area. Create a selection by the rectangular marquee tool. Then go to mask and give it OK. Then select brush. This time color must be black and white. The black should be top. Then choose the brush. That opacity should be 100. Then apply it. Change the brush size bracket left and right. Still I don't want the outer area. This time I create a selection by the polygonal lasso tool. Give it Alt backspace to fill the black color. Again I select the brush and apply it for smooth edges. Still I feel this cloud is very darker. I don't want this much of darkness for the cloud. What I do is select the same brush, opacity I reduced by 30 to 40%, apply it. tracing our baby supermodel. Then Control T, you can transform it. Again I rearrange the position and change to opacity where the image perfectly sits. This time I am going to remove the background, totally different method. Select pen tool and trace on the edges. Before that you want zoom in, Control spacebar. You want zoom out, Control Alt spacebar. When you select pen tool, the option should be path. Here you don't worry about the hair masking, we will do it later. Once completed the tracing from where you started, then right click, make selection. This time this value 0.2 be more great, give it OK, you will get selection. Then go to layer, add layer mask. Now perfectly background is removed. Then again select brush, opacity should be 80 to 90%. Change the brush size bracket left and right. Somewhere have you done mistake, change to foreground color white, then you will get it back. Again change to black, you can mask it. Now I select the ocean picture layer, Control J, duplicate and arrange the position to top and change the blending mode to color. Again I take one more copy by the shortcut of Control J. This time color mode is vivid light. You want detailed video for underwater effect? Already I posted video, link in the description. Still I don't want the water splash on the baby hand. Select both layers one by one. Again choose the brush, foreground color should be black and remove the mask. Again place bird image. I really want this part only. Just select it by the rectangle marquee tool and give it mask layer. What we used previously. Select brush and update. Move the position. Check whether which mode really save our time. This time luminosity mode perfectly matching. Then again by the brush mask it for better result. I hope you enjoy this video. Keep subscribe and follow me. See you soon in the next video. Until then, tata, bye bye.